gaps. These are from Mall Clevite, and they ship them when they're oversized. They ship them already filed. They're supposed to be plug and play where you just drop them in and go, but I like to double check them. So what I do is, this is the top compression ring. I'll take the piston, I get the ring started inside there, and then take the piston so that you make sure that you're square, and I will take it so that I'm flush here and flush here on the skirt. That way you know that the ring is sitting down at the same depth. The typical measurement is 0.004 for every 1 inch of bore. This is almost 4 inches. It's 3.8. So it comes out to be 15.2 is the minimum gap down here. Okay? So I take a 14. This is for the top compression ring. Go down a size below. And I don't know if you can see that. I can get the 14 in there really comfortably and slide it. And you just kind of go up until you get the maximum. The other one fell about 14, 15. 14's a little snug. 15 feels really good. You don't want them closed any more than that, because when they're tight, you can end up breaking a ring. 14 is a little snug. 15, if I can find it here really quick. Sorry, I'm trying to film with one hand and do this with the other, but I just want to make sure that everybody sees that I've got my bases covered here. Oh, come on. There's 15 right there. Come on. Okay, there's the 15. So I can fit the 15 in there. So then you do the same thing with the second compression ring, and you go in, and it should be 20% of the other one. So it's about 19, 20. And I've done 2 cylinders so far. I've done this cylinder over here and this one. And the rings are coming out as they're supposed to be. Like they said, they're plug and play. And so what I'm doing is I'm keeping the pistons in the box, because I did number 2 already. I put the rings in with number 2, this will be number 1, which is the one I'm working on now. So I'll put the rings in so that you know that the rings that are going into the piston bore go into the one that corresponds with which cylinder you actually physically put it in and tested it in. So there you go.